Make sure you subscribe and turn the notification bell icon on so that you don't miss any of my stories. After the video of Ringtone on top of his car accusing Robert Alai, the blogger, of beating him up with a wooden club, Robert Alai was arrested and was locked up at Kilimani police station. Other than that video, there was another video showing a bleeding Ringtone, scratches seemingly lodged on his neck by what he explained as beating from Robert Alai. In this era mazee, who beats other people for whatever reason? Who does that? Kuchukua sheria mikononi makosa au sio? Ringtone says Alai obstructed him at a roundabout and that's how the scuffle ensued. Since then, Ringtone has visited the Kenyatta National Hospital for medical checkup and the dressing of his wounds around the neck and the arm, and this is him addressing the nation.
Nataka thank Wakenya wote ambao wameniombea after the assault and attack, and I want to thank the doctors of Kenyatta National Hospital for working on me, and I just want to ask my fans to continue to pray for me. Na mimi I'm law abiding citizen, nitaongojea sheria ichukue mkondo wake na muendelee kuniombea. God bless you and thank you.